You're looking at a 2022 Tesla Model X Plaid. Trimotor, all-electric SUV with 20,000 miles. That comes loaded up. ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels. Sorry for the sirens in the back. Blue exterior, white premium interior, leather, front trunk storage. One of the fastest cars that Tesla makes. Still under full factory warranty, full power options, panoramic Yoke steering wheel, navigation, adaptive air suspension, Plaid mode. We've got 20,924 miles. Autopilot upgradable to full self-driving. Premium audio, heat pump, AMD Ryzen Processor. The only thing really missing is full self-driving, which you can upgrade or subscribe to for $100 a month. Wireless charging pad. You can use this phone as key. Everything is fully working. Just came off lease from Tesla. Got it straight from them. Straight in the back, they can watch TV. While you're driving, you can watch in the front. You can't, only when you're parked. Those seats do fold down in the rear. These are power rear seats. Comes with a 110 volt charger. Power tailgate. Super clean, absolutely no stories. Stop right there, back, everything's fully working. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.